I am going to show you how you can create a chat automation that also saves you memory and updates it in Airtable in a database. This is going to look like this one. First you see hi, and it also already references me by name. This means he is just fetching data from the database. And we can ask, what do you know about me? And a few seconds later, I'm getting a response. Your name is Robert and you're enthusiastic about YouTube. You create content for your channel. You're currently working on an n8n video for your YouTube channel. You recently completed creating a Telegram bot. Exactly. And then I can say, I nice add that I am writing a novel right now, and it will now go through these steps you can see here and add it into the database, which is here. We're gonna have personal memory. Robert is writing a novel right now. This is your data, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create the same. We are going to now duplicate this tab, so I have something to show you on how the finished one looks like, and I can reference for myself. You either can press the plus button here or go into overview, create a new workflow, and we're gonna start with my Telegram bot. Telegram, we're gonna make an on message trigger, and we need to connect it. And before I'm just adding to confusion, I will show you new channel, create. You can give it any name, create private channel, save, skip, and we're gonna just here say, how is this called? The bot fodder, and we can click on it, and you're gonna see already the token from the previous one I created. So how do we go? You type in start, and then we're gonna say new bot. All right, how are you going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Make sure at the end there is a bot at the very end, but we can call it, I don't know, YouTube video Robert bot. Good. It must end in, oh, and I got this wrong too. And what did I get? I got a link where I will chat, and also the HTTP API token. Just copy it, paste it in here, and open this one, because we can then chat here. But I think I copied it right now, so we're gonna just add a new one, create a new credential, so you understand how this is created. Okay, first one. Now, next one, Airtable. Go in, search records. We're gonna now again need the token. This is very important always. How do we go about this? Go into your Airtable, say, go into the Builders Hub. Personal access token, create new token. And we're gonna say YouTube token, add a scope. We're gonna add everything, so there won't be any issues right now, but make sure to remove them. And add all resources where it gets access. Create token. copy it and go in here, create new credential, edit, save, close, record, search, and now we need to have a table. So we're gonna go back here and airtable.com, create, build an app on your own, and we're gonna name it here my memory YouTube, the table memory YouTube, so you can definitely see what is getting changed. And here edit field, here is my memories. I'm gonna make sure long text, so no issues or no errors gonna happen. And you're gonna delete all these fields because we don't need them, and they just add to the confusion of getting this to work and make it enjoyable. My name is Robert. I am going to buy a house soon. I am a millionaire. Edit, because this is the data your workflow is gonna fetch, and we now need to make sure it's saved. We're gonna reload, and now we're gonna have double click on it, memory YouTube, table memory, and we're gonna return all the fields from that column. If you don't want to return everything because it's very operational intensive, you can say, okay, I want to just limit it to 100 or to 50, however you want. We're gonna just leave it now for return all. Okay, we're gonna getting a good progress in. We are going to go on with an aggregate node, and we need to add this one later when we start doing the workflow. And we're gonna add a merge node because we want the message we are giving it and the memory to be merged into one message. We're gonna say combine all possible combination, and that's it. I'm gonna make sure this looks a little bit sorted. So and we can actually already test this. This is my bot, but I won't get a response here. But I can see, okay, the nodes got triggered and I get a response here. This is the data I am having right now. And now you can also add your memories, because this is an important step. I like to use it in this way. And now we can say again, hi. Execute workflow. How are you? Something should happen, but it's not working right now. But what you can also do is like deactivate this one, add a node which is a chat trigger, because it's much simpler to see what is happening, just so the workflow is working right now. Hi, whether the data is fetched, and you see here the data is getting fetched, and and your message input with hi is also getting added. But this is just for testing. We're gonna deactivate this one, go back with my Telegram trigger, activate. Okay, now we are going onwards with my AI agent, and we will define below. The prompt is here, my hi, and we're gonna have also my system message expression. Make sure we can here enlarge it. I am just using one I was already typed out previously. Database memories, and make sure this is a variable, but otherwise you can also just drag and drop it in here and you're gonna get the same one. This variable is for just referencing the time, so your bot understands what time it is, for orientation purposes, and you're a helpful assistant with the abilities to read and add memories from a memory database about the user. To add a new data into the memory database, use the memory database, which will allow you to add all the new data and insights to help you customize your response output better. It is not necessary to always use the memory database in your responses, but whenever you see an opportunity to use the memories to enrich or add value to your responses, make sure you're using the memories stored in the memory database. Additionally, anytime you need to learn more about the user, make sure to ask as many questions as possible. Read your memories here. Always use a conversational outputs whenever possible. If you need to respond with a list, make it as simple as possible for that user to read. Use a positive and friendly tone of voice like you're talking to a friend. So yeah, you see, this is what we're gonna add here. Just make sure you're copying. This gives me the best response. And we're now gonna connect the chat model. You can use any, but we're gonna just go with my OpenAI model. It's reliable. I won't now connect a new one, but I'm gonna show you how you can go about it here. Go into this platform, openai.com, and settings, and you're gonna then go to API keys, create a new key, call it n8n YouTube or Robert or whatever you want, and you're gonna get again a code which you're gonna just put in here, and you can select your model. GPT 4.1 mini is okay. We're gonna add a memory here, simple memory. Make sure you are using chat input, chat input memories. We are going to give this one chat input, and you are also going to add Airtable here, Airtable tool. Use the same connection as previously. This one we were gonna add or make change to create memory YouTube. Now it's loading. And map each column manually, and you're gonna just click this one, let the model define this parameter, because now the model can push data into your workflow or into your database. And we are nearly done. There is one more thing needed. We're gonna just try again here. Hey. Hey. this is causing us issues. Why did we use the correct one? The message one we need. We're gonna try it again. Execute workflow. I'm gonna type in hey. But we got a problem. Expect to find a prompt in an input field called this is what the chat trigger node outputs. But where is my problem? Prompt chat input chat. Okay, you see we used the wrong variable here. Execute step. Perfect. And we need one more thing, because now we have an output. Hey Robert, how is it going? But we need to push it back to Telegram. Message. We're gonna send a text message to the correct account. Chat ID. We're gonna use the same chat ID. Drag and drop. Text is gonna be here. Execute step, and we already got something back. Hey Robert, how is it going? What's on your mind today? So we are actually already in this testing phase. Hey, in a few minutes after post editing, I will upload my YouTube video. Please update this information with a correct timestamp. We're getting a response back. Now it's active. Got it. Just okay. We got it added. Are we sure it got added? Memory YouTube. It did not actually. Got it. Did it push it in here? No, it did not. So somewhere we got an error. I'm gonna just figure this out. Table memory, YouTube memory, create. This is nice. Let's just try again. Hey, please update that I'm going to buy a PC soon. La. Got it, Robert. I've updated it. Did he? User Robert is going to buy a PC soon. I don't know why the previous one didn't work, but somewhere there was an error. But yeah, this is all to it. Now you have your own chatbot customized with your own knowledge. If you like this video, give me engagement, subscribe, like, message me, whatever you want. Thanks for watching. See you soon.